Let's talk about the archive problem. Businesses used to depend on paper archives, which took space, decayed over time, and were hard to search. Then we digitalized, and SaaS platforms solved that, giving us fast, easy, and digital access. But this introduced a new problem. Your access now depends on a subscription. So what happens when you want to switch providers? Or worse, when your business hits pressure and payments are delayed, your access to your own critical records can be cut off instantly. Yet you are still responsible for delivering those documents, even if you can't access them. That's why we've built Capsyra, a long-term secure archive that gives you full control over your most important records, how they are saved, for how long, and where. Your data enters through our central hub, where it's quantum-safe encrypted and distributed across multiple independent storage providers. The financial reserves for storage are secured and released over time, so providers keep your data safe even years into the future. And here's the key. Even if the central hub fails or disappears entirely, you still have direct access to your data. Remember those problems from the beginning? With Capsyra, you get the independence of a traditional archive with the convenience and visibility of modern cloud systems. Take back control of your most critical data. Protect it for decades. Capsyra, securing ownership. Let's talk.